keeps on pressing on and striving hard to stay strong. In the midst of a war gone wrong, I long to see your eyes shining, guiding me. It's hard to see past so much hurt and pain in society. At times I wonder, trying to stay dry from storms and thunder. I'm going under, bills be due, no money's coming through. Lord, at times it's hard serving you. The devil comes against me upon a daily basis. I'm feeling stressed cause it's hard to face this. I'm getting mad, anxious, awaiting upon deliverance and help. If heaven be my home, then why does this earth feel like my living hell? Oh well, this cross that you bared lets me know that you's the only one that truly cared. But I'm still scared of what to me this future brings. Lord, guide me, hide me, protect me under your wings.
I can't see past tomorrow. I can't see past today. I can't see past the sorrow. I can't see to find my way.
For a decade and a half, yo, I walked the wrong path. And at the end of this time, I'm about to feel God's wrath for the second half. Yo, son, I beg for some mercy. My vision getting blurry and my spirit, man, is dirty. I almost lost sight of the eternal fight. So now I raise my wings and now I set to flight. So I expand across the sky for the Most High, no longer to die or commit spiritual suicide. As I comply to the thoughts of my Savior, my sharp behavior on point like a pit of razors. What's the keeper? I raise to the sky like water vapor, the infiltrator. And now I finally never hesitate, cause I annihilate and incarcerate wicked devils, cause I was born to be a rebel.
I can't